Welcome back, I'm Captain Xavier, and today I'm going to be building a commission. Now, before you all get excited, this is a special case. This is a build for my brother's fiance, who needed a blaster to shoot the IT guys where he works, because apparently they do Nerf wars at the end of the day, but they're all armed with Mavericks, and he decided that it was time to kick off a good old-fashioned arms race. So he asked me to build him the most ridiculously overpowered, but obviously office-safe blaster that I could, and so I recommended a Select Fire Stryfe Vector, because those are pretty nifty, and definitely raise the bar above Stryfe pretty thoroughly. So this is going to be a fun, quick build. I've done these before, so I'm not going to go too much into the details. It is going to be a lot more orange than most of my builds, because this is going to be used in an office, so it needed to be very gaudy and obvious. So let's get into this. Flywheel cage wired up. This kit comes with all the wires pre-cut, and it's really quite awesome. Alright, that's the flywheels all wired up. Very clean, very pretty. I like that. Alright, now to complete the Select Fire kit, which I might actually have to look the instructions up again. Alright, hypothetically, that's all of the soldering complete. I had to solder in, of course, the connectors to connect the Select Fire kit, which they all just connect right there to the negative positive, so that should be that. Hypothetically, I should now be able to put the batteries in and turn it on, and that is the kit in. I haven't yet done the selector switch. So we're gonna give that a try. As soon as I remember how it works. Selector switch plate is all in place. I can now plug it into the main blaster. And now we will turn it on. Make sure we have everything in the right position. Alright, the last part should be printed by now, so I'm going to go grab it. The last kind of internal part is a mag release, as made by Foam Blast. It is done! And I think it looks fantastic. It is functionally identical to my Stryfe Vector. The only difference is the barrel's a little bit longer, because I discovered I could do that. And it's an orange kit instead of the black kit, because this is going to be used in an office setting. And I wanted it to be as obviously a toy as possible. It is still going to completely destroy the competition, because they're all armed with Mavericks, last I heard, and he's going to walk in with this. Should hopefully kick off a massive arms race, and should be a lot of fun. I look forward to hearing the stories of the shenanigans that this creates. Hopefully he doesn't get in trouble or fired or what have you. But yeah, this was a fun little build. I enjoy building Stryfes just because they are so easy, and I really like the Select Fire kit because it's so much fun. So that is that build. Like I said, this is not me opening up commissions again. This was a special case for my brother's fiance. Kind of not really a wedding present, but just, you know, you do favors for family. So there you have it. Let me know what you guys think of it, the orange versus the black kit. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. And as always, thank you guys for watching.